मैं यहाँ पे स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर्मेट फॉर 8086 microprocessor. Instruction format for 8086 microprocessor. Now, what do you mean by the instruction format? Can anyone tell? Instruction format. Instruction has mainly two fields. One field is opcode field. Opcode field is for defining what operation we are going to perform. For example, we want to move the data from one source to destination, then opcode will become move. If we want to add two numbers, then opcode will be add. So opcode is mnemonic of the operation which we want to perform. And another field is operand field. Operand means, can anyone tell? Operand means what?
जो operation होना है.
Yes, and the data on which operation is going to be performed is operand. Operand can be specified in register, or it can be specified in memory location, or it can be taken from any IO port, input port basically. So then operand is the data on which operation is going to be performed. Now in case of 8086, we have seen most of the instructions are having both source and destination mentioned in the instruction itself. For example, move, if we want to move data from AX, uh, from BX to AX, then source and destination are specified in the instruction. One thing is needed to be clear is that the both source and operand, this is basically source, this is destination. Source and destination can be register, can be memory, can be IO port, but both cannot be memory address at the same time. This we know that. This we know that. Please reply. Both destination and source cannot be memory. Is it clear? Means if the source is a register, then destination can be a register and can be a memory location. If this destination, if source is a memory, then this can be a register, but this cannot be a memory location. Is this point clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
We can also represent any instruction by writing its machine code. Machine code means the code in 0 and 1. Simply in assembly language programming, we are writing the instruction in mnemonic and symbolic representation. Now, in this case, uh, every instruction has some particular instruction format. That depends on the number of bytes it is having. Maximum we can have 6 byte of instruction in 8086. In 6 byte of instruction, first 2 byte are more important, then remaining bytes are depend on the instruction. For example, if we are having that addressing mode, which one? Displacement, relative index addressing mode. In relative register addressing mode, what was the case? We were having some displacement value plus 8-bit displacement or plus 16-bit displacement. So that case, byte 1 byte 2 will contain some bits as per the format which I am going to explain later, and byte 3 and byte 4 will depend. If we are having 16-bit displacement, then we need 2 bytes for that 16-bit displacement value. If we are having 8-bit displacement, then we need only 1 byte, byte 3, for that displacement value, to represent that displacement value. Now, first byte contains basically 3 fields. in these three fields, this is very easy to understand. Just we need to remember the format only. First byte is opcode field. Opcode field operation. For example, uh, if we have move instruction, so move is having some bit combination, corresponding bit combination. That 6-bit combination is known as operation code in binary. MOV, if we are writing MOV, then MOV is mnemonic. But if but the computer understands only binary language, then finally it has to decode it. That move instruction is representing by some bit combination, fixed bit combination. Similar way, we have any other instruction, add or anything, any instruction add or subtract, any instruction else. Every instruction has, in case of 8086 we are discussing, every instruction has 6 bits of machine code, of its respective machine code. First 6 bits are for machine code. We don't need to remember the machine code for all the instructions. Mostly in the problem, if they are asking for the machine code, they will definitely provide you the machine code of the opcode. Now next is the 1 bit D. 6 bits are for opcode, 1 bit is for D, and 1 bit is for W. What is D? D is basically defining the direction of the operand. The movement of the operand is going to take place in which direction. For example, to register or from the register means, to register means destination. Register, the mentioned register is defining the destination to register. Or if the register is a source register, then it will be from the register. So we are having either 0 or 1 for D bit. So 1 is described for destination and 0 bit is described for, 1 is for destination, 0 is for source. This will be again more clear when we will discuss the example. Now next is so next last bit of first byte is W. W is for word or byte operation. In 8086 we know that we can perform 16-bit operations and we can perform 8-bit operations. We can perform either one of these. So if we perform 8-bit operation, this bit should be 0. If we perform 16-bit operation, this bit should be 1. Clear? Till here we are clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first byte is simple to understand, that we are having 6 bits for opcode. We don't need to remember the machine code for all the instruction. That will be given in the question always. If it is not given in the question, then we can take 6 times X only by defining it that it may have some 0-1 combination uh, for dedicated for that particular instruction only. Now D is for direction of the operand which is going to register or from register. In this case, we can have memory also, or word or byte operation. Now next byte is containing 3 fields: mode field, register field, and this R-M field. Mode field basically defines that if we are operating with the register mode or memory mode, means we are going to do operation from register or from memory. If memory is there, memory may be without displacement value, or it depends on the addressing mode. If memory is with displacement or without mode, means the addressing mode which we are going to dealing with. It can be the register mode or it can be the memory mode. Memory mode can be with displacement value or without displacement. For example, if we are dealing with move AX comma BX, then this will be register mode only, because these bits are having a combination of 2 bits. This field is having combination of 2 bits. Then we may have 4 different combinations: 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So each combination will be dedicated to one type of operation. For example, register mode, or we want to use memory can be alone, we can use, or memory can be with 8-bit displacement, or memory can be with 16-bit displacement. Again, this will be more clear in the next slide. And next is the register operand or extension of the opcode. And register operand, and last one is register operand registers to use in effective address calculation. Now I am going to discuss it by using example, then this will be more clear. So these things I have explained, that D we will use 1. First 6 bits are for opcode. Next bit is for direction of the data. Is it going to or from the register? And next one is the word means 8-bit operation is going to take place or 16-bit operation is going to take place. So this part is, I think, clear. Byte 1. Now next we are going to discuss the byte 2. Now in byte 2, first we were having mode field. Mode field was of 2-bit only. 2-bit means we can have 4 different combinations: 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now for example, I have taken one example, move ax comma bx. If we are writing instruction code for this instruction, then what we are using? We are using register mode. Then this field will be filled by which bit? 1 1. Is it clear?
1 1.
1 1 only. Another example we can take, move ax comma si plus 08. Now in this example, 08 is the displacement value. How much bits are there? 8-bit displacement value. And we are dealing with the 8-bit displacement and memory. So what is the operation of this instruction? The data from this memory location effective address can be calculated by adding SI values, the number stored in the SI with 08 value. Then final effective address will be formed. The data from that effective address will be transferred to A. This is the function of this instruction, which already we have discussed in detail during instruction set description. Now, so what should be the mode field for this instruction?
0 1.
Very good. 0 1, because it is a memory mode with 8-bit displacement. Next is
8-bit display.
yes. If we are having example of move AX, this only, BX we can use another example. This is also, we are working with memory mode, but there is no displacement. So which field we are going to use? Which bits we are going to use to fill this field?
0
0 0. Similar way, if we can, we are writing that ax comma si plus a028, any number of 16-bit, then we should use 1 0. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So next field was the register field. Now for that 3 bits are dedicated. Why 3 bits are dedicated? Basically 3 bits can be, by using 3 bits we can have 8 different combinations from 000 to 111. And in microprocessor, in this 8086 microprocessor, we know that we have 4 general purpose register, AX to BX, and these pointer SP and BP pointer register, and SI and DI. Mostly these registers are used in operation, most of the operations. So if we want to use any register, any of these register, we are performing word operation, because all the registers from AX to DI are 16-bit long. So W is equals to 1 will be taken in the byte 1. Byte 1 is already explained. In byte 1, that bit number, that LSB bit was there. That should be 1 if we are dealing with the byte. Then there are different bit combination for different register. And another one was the word operation. Word operation means if we are dealing with 8 bits of operand only. If we are dealing with 8 bits of operand, then we know that these 4 general purpose registers can be split into 2 parts: lower bytes and higher bytes. So we are
Higher byte.
having, yes, so we are having total 8 number of registers. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Actually,
we have 8 different combination or 8 different results. This we need to remember for writing any machine code for any instruction. Now these are the values for different segment. Mostly we deal with these first two column. Now this is different combination. We don't need to remember this combination. This combination is basically formed by combining this mode field and RM field, which we have studied right now separately. First one is the mode field. This column is representing mode field. In mode we have 4 combination because it was a combination of 2 bits only. R/M. R/M means what?
register of memory.
Just we have discussed. Now this is the example in which we need to write the machine code for this instruction. Move SP comma BX. Now we are going to write this. Write machine code for this instruction. So just we need to remember one opcode of one instruction only. Move 100010. Mostly it is given in the problem. If it is not given, we need to remember this only to explain any example. If other instruction will be given in the question, then they must be given the machine code for that instruction. So we are not dealing with to remember all the machine code, all the 6-bit codes for each instruction. Now we are going to start writing the code. First 6 bits will be directly these 6 bits. Clear? Now next
Yeah.
was the D bit. D bit means from or to. So register, here we are having destination is also having register and source is also having register. So here we can write this code in 2 ways. If there is one another condition, if there is one register and one memory content in either in source or destination, then we always write this bit according to the register only. But for example, SP comma BX was there like this, means here we need to take effective address from BX register. In that case we need to write with this register only. Okay, so in case of if both the source and destination are specified at register, so we can write in 2 ways. We can write by taking this SP. In SP means we are going to write to register, or we can also write another machine code by using BX also. BX will become from register, means source register. But in case of register and memory operations for source and destination, then we should write this D bit as per the register only. This register can be a source register, this register can be a destination